Before we start study, we will do some activities. You are sitting in meditation position. Now sit in meditation position. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, now rub your hands and open your eyes. Are you feeling good? Yes. So we will sing a song. First I will sing, then you will follow me. रानी की वाव में है दिव्य प्रकाश, इतिहास गाता है प्रेम का विश्वास। रानी की वाव में है दिव्य प्रकाश, इतिहास गाता है प्रेम का विश्वास। जल में समाया है सत्य का रूप, वाव बनी पावन अद्भुत स्वरूप। जल में समाया है सत्य का रूप, वाव बनी पावन अद्भुत स्वरूप। रानी की वाव में है दिव्य प्रकाश, इतिहास गाता है प्रेम का विश्वास। रानी की वाव में है दिव्य प्रकाश, इतिहास गाता है प्रेम का विश्वास। पाटन की धरती में पावन प्रसंग, वाव में उतरते ही मिलता आनंद। पाटन की धरती में पावन प्रसंग, वाव में उतरते ही मिलता आनंद। स्तंभ स्तंभ में है देवता का वास, वाव है तीर्थ समान निरंतर आस। स्तंभ स्तंभ में है देवता का वास, वाव है तीर्थ समान निरंतर आस। रानी की वाव में है दिव्य प्रकाश, इतिहास गाता है प्रेम का विश्वास। Okay, I will ask few questions related this song. Which historical place is shown in this song? Yes, Purva.
रानी की वाव।
Very good. Try to give in full answer like this. Rani Ki Vav is shown in this song. Now, where is Rani Ki Vav situated? Yes, Ronak.
The Rani ki vav situated in Patan.
Very good. Rani Ki Vav situated in Patan. So we will learn today Rani Ki Vav of your English unit number 5. So take out your unit number 5. Now I will read ideal reading, then you listen it. Okay? Rani Ki Vav, the stepwell, is an approved site on the World Heritage. It was declared by the World Heritage Committee UNESCO. UNESCO has recognized this masterpiece as an exceptional example of water management system. It is a wonderful sample of technological development for utilizing groundwater resource in the single structure. It is also a unique illustration of breaking large spaces into smaller volumes with artistic presentation. Rani Ki Vav has a great appeal to every observer. Queen Udaymati, the widow of King Bhimdev I, constructed this vow between 1022 and 1063 AD. Rani Ki Vav has become one of the most popular places to visit in Gujarat. King Bhimdev I belonged to the Solanki dynasty of Anhilwad, Patan. Okay? First, now see, I will see you a virtual tour of Rani Ki Vav. You want to go to Rani Ki Vav? Yes. So, I will show you a. Now imagine you are going to Patan in bus.
ये है 100 का नोट। इस पर क्या डिजाइन है चलिए जानते हैं। भारत के गुजरात राज्य के पाटन शहर में है एक बावड़ी और ये सरस्वती नदी के तट पर स्थित है। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं रानी की वाव या बावड़ी की। इसका निर्माण 11वीं शताब्दी में सोलंकी शासन के राजा भीमदेव प्रथम की पत्नी उदयमती ने राजा की याद में कराया था। ये अपनी तरह के सबसे बेहतरीन और सबसे बड़े उदाहरणों में से एक है। इस बावड़ी को पानी की पवित्रता से जोड़ने वाले एक उल्टे मंदिर के रूप में डिजाइन किया गया। इसका निर्माण 1063 ईस्वी में शुरू हुआ था और पूरे 20 साल तक चला। बाद में यहाँ सरस्वती नदी की बाढ़ आई और ये उसमें नीचे दब गया। फिर 1986 में भारतीय पुरातत्व सर्वेक्षण द्वारा इसकी खुदाई की गई और जीर्णोद्धार किया गया और 2014 में इसे यूनेस्को की विश्व विरासत स्थल में शामिल किया गया और 2018 में RBI ने 100 के नोट पर रानी की वाव को चित्रित किया। इसे सबसे पवित्र प्रतिष्ठित स्थान नाम भी दिया गया।
You have listened this lesson carefully. I will ask you about this lesson few questions like what is the meaning of vow? Yes, Gulab.
The meaning of vow step well.
Very good. The meaning of the vow is step well. You also point down these points in your notebook. Okay. Now pay attention here. I will see you a picture of vow. This is an Adalaj vow. Also, I would like to see you on this screen. Now see. It is Adalaj vow from Ahmedabad. Like also step 12. See the video. This is a vow in our Amreli district, the village Devbhumi Devadia. This is a step well with Lord Shiva temple. It is 622 years ago old. This temple with vow is 622 years old. Now, who has declared Rani Ki Vav as their own World Heritage Site? Yes, Riddhi? Very good. UNESCO has declared Rani Ki Vav as own World Heritage Site. Okay. In our Indian currency, there is a 100 rupees note. UNESCO has recognized this masterpiece on our Indian currency in 2018. In our Indian currency, there are many historical places. 500 rupees, a red fort of Delhi. And there are many currency notes, historical places are placed on it. Okay, now. Why UNESCO has recognized Rani Ki Vav as a masterpiece? Yes, Purva?
Water management system.
Very good. Water management system. Rani Ki Vav is a masterpiece for its water management system. So, you should also point down this point in your notebook with me. Now see, it is Adalaj Vav. It is also a step well, and it is very much famous for water management system. This also situated in Ahmedabad. I should like to see on the TV screen. So, this is also a step well and also known for water management system. Okay, now. Who has constructed this vow? Yes, Ronak.
The constructed by Queen Udaymati.
Very good. Queen Udaymati has constructed Rani Ki Vav. Now see the picture of Queen Udaymati. Queen Udaymati is the widow of King Bhimdev I, and she has constructed this vow. From which dynasty King Bhimdev I belonged? Yes, Kapil.
King Bhimdev belonged to the Solanki dynasty, Anilwad Patan.
Very good. King Bhimdev I belonged to Solanki dynasty of Anhilwad Patan. Okay, now I would like to do one more activity with you. Come on, two students are. Come on. We will make a puppet of King Bhimdev first. This is a photo of King Bhimdev. We will make a stick puppet with one stick and the photo of King Bhimdev. Now take sellotapes, put it on sticks. Very good. You can do this type of activity in any other subjects like poet, writers, any characters. Okay, now sit down. Thank you. Yes, now close your books. We will do some activities. You know about the historical places of Gujarat. One boy will come and one girl will come. Then we will do one activity with you, like peer group. Like this basket has historical places names, and this basket has its location. Like Somnath, it is situated in Verawad. Then other historical places are there. Who will come first? Who will come? Very good. Raju is coming now from the girls. Okay. Take anyone. Upperkot Fort. Where Upperkot Fort is situated? Aditi will find out its answer.
Situated is Junagadh.
Very good. Now next, who will come? Yes, Kapil. From the girls. Very good, Gulab. Now tell them Sun Temple. Ready.
Situated in Modhera.
Very good. Sun Temple is situated in Modhera. Now third who will come? Tushar, Krupali. Very good. Very good. Vadnagar. On Kirti Toran. Now tell the sentence.
Kirti Toran is situated in Vadnagar.
Very good. Kirti Toran is situated. Who will come? Yes, Gopal. Yes, Jalpa. What is this?
Jama Masjid.
From Ahmedabad. Very good. Jama Masjid is situated in Ahmedabad. Very good. Put it on side. Now next, who will come? Yes, Kapil. From the girls. Any girls? Aditi. Very good. Take it. Now tell Rani Ki Vav.
Situated in Patan.
Very good. Rani Ki Vav is situated in Patan. Okay. Now it's time to give assignment. Giving an assignment work. Please note it in your diary. Assignment is creative. You have to visit a historical place. Then prepare a note on it. Okay? You can do in group or also individual.